Use of has, have. Has is used with he, she, it and singular nouns. Have is used with I, you, we, they and plural nouns. I have a bat. Meena has a doll. Seema has a cat. We have a ball. I have a mat. He has a dog. I have a duck. She has a bag. They have a kite. He has a mat. Teacher has a book. He has a ball.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.